In an Action News update, federal prosecutors have now wrapped up their case in Hunter Biden's trial on gun charges. Today, the defense began calling their first witnesses. ABC's Morgan Norwood explains the moment when Hunter Biden's own daughter took the stand.
Graciela, Hunter Biden's own daughter, taking the witness stand, and throughout her testimony, her dad could be seen wiping away tears as the prosecution and defense leaned into her dad's battle with addiction.
Federal prosecutors have rested their case against Hunter Biden, who faces 3 felony charges accusing him of lying about his drug use on a federal gun form. For days, the court heard dramatic testimony from several of the prosecution's witnesses, including Hallie Biden, the widow of Beau Biden, who testified about Hunter's alleged drug use around the time he purchased this Colt revolver in 2018. Hunter Biden's legal team maintains he was not an addict when he purchased the gun. Now, the defense is presenting their case and calling their witnesses, including Hunter Biden's own daughter, Naomi, as they try to blunt Hallie Biden's testimony from yesterday. Naomi telling the court her father seemed great. He seemed hopeful when she saw him around October 18th, just days before Hallie Biden, who testified yesterday that she discovered and discarded his firearm in Wilmington. Earlier in August, Naomi described visiting her dad in rehab, saying, "He seemed the clearest I'd seen him since my uncle died." And before leaving the courtroom, Hunter and Naomi embraced. And during her testimony, Hunter appeared emotional and was seen at times touching his face. On cross-examination, prosecutors asking Naomi Biden if she ever witnessed her father using drugs, she said she had not. It was important testimony for the defense as they attempt to show Hunter Biden was not using drugs around the time he bought that gun. The defense also calling employees from the gun store that sold Hunter Biden the firearm. ABC's Olivia Rubin inside that courtroom.
Questioning them about the process they went through, what they saw, did they see Hunter, how did they look, did they fill out that form himself, essentially trying to piece together the events of that day, potentially looking for some holes.
And the court surprisingly adjourning early for the weekend and will resume this Monday. It's still unclear whether Hunter Biden will take the stand at this point, his attorney telling the court that they're still deciding. In New York, Morgan Norwood, ABC 30 Action News.